A painting's powerful impact. Unveiling a forgotten artist's story. A chance encounter with a painting can change a life's trajectory. This is the remarkable tale of a nurse whose career was forever altered by a forgotten artwork, and the journey to uncover its mysterious past. In 1974, a young Pam Enani, struggling through a challenging day on the orthopedic ward, received an unexpected suggestion from her patient, Mary Jones. Little did she know, this would ignite a passion and set her on a path of discovery. Mary's request was simple: to view a painting in the Mammoth's Wood ward during her break. But what Pam saw that day was more than just a painting. It was a window into the past, a scene depicting the care of an injured soldier, painted by Bury-born artist Margaret Lindsey Williams. But here's where it gets personal. The painting's significance went beyond its artistic value. It portrayed a moment in time that Pam was now part of, as she was treating the very person depicted in the artwork, Mary Jones herself. This revelation sparked a lifelong interest in the artist, and a quest to find the painting's fate after the Cardiff Royal Infirmary's closure in 1999. The painting, titled The Care of Wounded Soldiers, had hung in the main foyer, witnessed by thousands. Its journey after the hospital's closure is a story of near loss and rediscovery. After being cut from its frame and rolled up, it was left in a forgotten chapel, only to be found by another nurse, Mary Reed, just before the building's planned demolition. And this is the part most people miss. The painting's rescue was not just a preservation of art, but also a legal battle. An injunction saved the building from redevelopment, as it was originally intended solely for Cardiff's healthcare. The painting found a new home at Sandhurst, where its restoration cost a staggering £70,000. Pam's curiosity led her to uncover the painting's rich history. Commissioned by Sir William James Thomas, a coal and railway tycoon, the artwork immortalized him alongside healthcare heroes like Matron Montgomery Wilson and Sister Mary Jones. Margaret Lindsey Williams, known for her portraits of royalty, had a lesser-known talent for group scenes, which this painting beautifully showcases. Williams' life was as vibrant as her art. Her parties in St. John's Wood were legendary, and her royal appointments included painting Queen Elizabeth II, Princess Anne and a young King Charles. Her influence even extended to music, inspiring Black Sabbath and painting Ivor Novello. Yet, despite her accomplishments, Williams' legacy has been largely forgotten. Her grave in Bury only recently received a headstone, and her powerful message about war's futility has been overshadowed. Is it time to bring this forgotten artist back into the spotlight?